How to remove default clothes in Roblox avatar. Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to completely remove those default clothes from your Roblox avatar. If you're bored of the basic outfit and want your character to look fresh and clean, just follow along step by step. Let's dive right in. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Once you're in, tap the avatar icon at the bottom of the screen. That will take you to your customization page. Now hit the Customize button. This is where the real magic happens. At the top, you'll notice several tabs. Let's start with Head and Body. Here you'll see options like Skin, Head, Face, Torso, and Arms. If anything is selected, simply tap on it again to deselect. This will instantly remove it. You can even switch up your skin tone here if you want to add a little extra style. Next, move over to the Clothing tab. This is where the default shirt and pants usually show up. Go through each clothing category one by one, and if you see something you don't want, just tap it to remove. You'll see the item disappear right away. Repeat this until your avatar is completely cleared of unwanted clothes. After that, don't forget to check the Accessories section. Roblox sometimes throws in default hats or gear, so go through them carefully and unselect anything you don't like. You can also explore the Emotes tab. Turn them on or off depending on your personal vibe. And while you're at it, head to the Animations section. You can remove or change default animations here too. And that's it. Once you've gone through all the tabs, your avatar will be totally free from default clothes and ready for you to customize however you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.